Hi guys, today we're going to be making an erupting volcano. We will do our best to make it erupt good. If it doesn't, I've had that happen to me lots of times. But it's because you need more vinegar or more baking soda. That's why this time it's going to be the correct measurements because I'm going to tell you the measurements. Okay, we're ready to get started. I'm going to tell you the ingredients. I'm going to need baking soda. Any type is fine. You're going to need vinegar. Again, any type is fine. For the vinegar part, your teacher is going to help you pour it. You're not going to do it yourself. Probably too heavy. And also, it's liquid and it's going to be hard to pour to the right measurement. You might not even know what the right measurement is. You should be wearing something like an apron or a good shirt, like you don't want to get dirty. Or if you don't have that, you can just roll up your sleeves and be extra careful. I know you're fourth or fifth graders, so I think you'll be able to do it good. I have this. It says, I noticed and wondered this year, sarsep.org. Sarsep Science and Engineering Fair. Sarsep first place. So it's probably hard to read because it's probably backwards for you guys. But I won the Sarsep in first place and great. We're going to need a measuring cup. It needs to be not too big, not too small. I try to do smaller ones or else it's probably not going to work that well. And something like this. It can't be too big, the rims, and it can't be too thin. If it's too big, you're not going to get to see the eruption. And if it's too thin, then it's not gonna catch the lava that comes out. And that is bad news for your teacher. And also yourself, you have like your own desk. And whoever sits with you at your desk. Okay. Right now you're going to find a partner to work with. Once you have found your partner, you are going to once you have found your partner, you're going to get the materials from your teacher. It's probably going to be a plastic cup, and your teacher's just going to pour it to a certain area, like a plastic bowl or something. It's not all fancy like me. Well, mine isn't fancy, but it's glass because I don't have a ton of students right here next to me who are ready to do this with me. Right now, we're going to pour our vinegar. A minute, I've got to take it off. Very carefully, your teacher is going to pour it to the one, it's like bad, but the 3/4 point, somewhere around here or here. So if your cup's about the same size, you're going to want to pour it like halfway point. Mine is almost perfectly halfway. Sorry, I've got to put on the cap. So you're going to take your teaspoon. Even if it's not the right amount, you're going to you're gonna make it a little bigger, like this much bigger. Oh, because we want it to be able to actually work. Just so you know, teachers, your students are doing this, not you. Your students need to be able to do it because they want to be able to do it. It's their experiment. I only let you guys do the baking soda because it's the baking soda vinegar because it's the vinegar. So now, students, you're going to do about a tablespoon, a little bit over, hopefully, like this much. And on the count of three, you're going to pour it in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's going to pour up and pop down. You've probably got one right now. You can even put your spoon in there and mix it around so it comes out even more. Might not look as cool because you don't have the cool dyes that they do online. They always do those things. We're going to, on Halloween, we're going to do a special one. We're going to make a blood bursting volcano. It's not actual blood, of course. It's literally just. It's going to be dye, but it's going to look like blood. I'm going to do some Halloween activities and even a Halloween choose one button challenge. Yep, we're going to have some choose one button challenges. If you be really good, you'll get to watch one of them. And that's going to be fun because my dog is going to get to be a special guest in one of them. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? So, that was our experiment. You're going to see that there's a bit of bubbly water. Can you guess what that's from? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guessed vinegar, you're correct. Plus the baking soda. Because volcanoes are bubbly. No, they're not. They might be. But you should use your ideas and look at this and find out exactly why it does that. Exactly. We're going to start with the fun facts very shortly. Okay, guys, it's fun fact time. Yay! So, our first fun fact, well, not fun fact, but question. You're going to write these questions down on a piece of paper so you can remember them because we might have little like questions about them and choose one button challenges or just other videos. Or you're just going to write it down because it's science. You need to write that kind of stuff down. So you can remember in case something you need to answer those questions. In case you need to answer those questions. Okay, first fun fact. Where are volcanoes normally found? I'm going to give you 5 seconds for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, you guessed it. Where tectonic plates and volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates are diverging or converging. Okay, next fun fact. How is lava? Why does lava erupt? I'm going to give you 5 seconds for this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Since it is sorry about that. Since it is lighter than the solid rock around it, it rises in the magma chambers and bursts. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure to watch, make sure to watch our videos, subscribe, and like. And hit that little bell down there. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep exploring, learning, and talking about science.